Hello and welcome to the fifth video of the section, Understanding TypeScript and Module Loaders. In the previous video, we saw how to use Webpack Module Loader with Angular app. In this video, we will see the different transpilers which we can use for application. Transpilers or source-to-source compilers are tools that read source code written in one programming language and produce the equivalent code in another language. The languages you write that transpile to JavaScript are often called compile-to-JS languages and are said to target JavaScript. We will see how we are using transpilers to transpile ES6 and TypeScript to ES5. For our Angular 2 application, we will add configuration with Module Loader to transpile code using different transpilers. What is transpilers? Transpilers allow us to write compile-to-JavaScript languages such as CoffeeScript, TypeScript, or ClojureScript. Let's use new and potential JavaScript features reliably. Contribute to the development of ECMA script specification. In our code, we will be using transpilers to transpile ES6 back to ES5 so we can render our app on the browser. Let's first try to understand why we need transpilers. This is a compatibility table of all features of ES6. The ES6 compatibility table shows that while we're clearly making progress, we do not have time to write ES 2015 directly. Instead, we write our source in ES 2015 and let a transpiler translate it to vanilla ES5 that works in every browser. This list is showing the compatibility list of ES6, that ES6 is the coming version of JavaScript, and it is not supported by all browsers. That's why we need transpilers to convert ES6 to ES5. There are a number of ES 2015 to ES5 transpilers out there, such as TypeScript, Traceur, and Babel. We will be configuring these with our loaders and will be using them for transpilation. Babel was written by a guy named Sebastian McKenzie, now one of the popular tools with Webpack Loader. Traceur, on the other hand, is a Google project. TypeScript compiler is supporting transpilation of TypeScript decorators and annotations back to ES5. Let's see how we are configuring these transpilers with our loaders. Without going much in deep, I hope you have already seen this code. In our previous code example, we are just adding transpiler names in system configuration, so System.js Loader will use TypeScript for the transpilation task. You can also write separate configuration, provide compiler options here, and pass this to System.js Loader configuration. This is an alternative to define other compiler options in JSON file. In this example, we just add a Traceur name in System.js file, so System Module Loader will use Traceur for the transpilation part. Now we have an understanding of transpiler, and the different transpilers we use are TypeScript, Traceur, and Babel with System.js and Webpack. In the next video, we will talk about transpilers for Angular 2.0.